Throughout NFL history, few spectacles match the drama of a game played in blizzard conditions. The Snow Bowl of 2013 was one such event, as the Philadelphia Eagles clashed with the Detroit Lions amid heavy snowfall, transforming the field into a winter wonderland. Quarterback Nick Foles adapted impressively, leading the Eagles to a 34-20 victory. Not to be outdone, the tuck rule game in 2002 saw the New England Patriots defy the elements and win against the Oakland Raiders, securing a path toward their first Super Bowl victory. These games aren't just about sports. They showcase human resilience and adaptability, proving that extreme weather is no match for true gridiron greatness.